Hello world! If you want to feel your best and have real confidence, purpose, meaningful connection, and create safety, security, and stability for yourself and others, you have to learn how to be good at lead with love. Leading with love means that you are choosing empathy to be your guide over any other strong emotions that you might be feeling and demonstrating that by the way that you treat others, what you say and what you do inspires courage, hope, strength, and love in others and motivates them to follow your lead in showing love. As you have to learn how to be good at lead by action. Leading by action means you take the action first. You don't demand respect from others. You show them how to be respectful. You model the behaviors from them to follow that set the example in how to do it. Your behaviors teach others how to respond and how to be successful. You see progress and changes of behaviors in others when your patterns are so successful that others want to follow and imitate you. The result you get make you qualify to show others a better way to show up and to take responsibility for their own happiness. By Joel Clemons. On a post of Anna with a caption on it saying, "Only distance can save us. It was nice to see each other again."
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Przyszłam zrobić tatuaż.
Kolejny termin mam dopiero za 365 dni.
Ojej. A ja chciałam tutaj wytatuować Massimo. Do widzenia.
Yeah. Anna, you always get a perfect nail polish color that blends in you. On the post of Anna with a caption saying, "Your commitment to being authentic need to be greater than your desire for approval. Put yourself on a certain pedestal. You don't have to ignore or erase the past. You just need to wholeheartedly embrace the present and move on. Let yourself walk a new path. It is only heavy because you are deciding over and over again to carry it. Healing is not found in running off and creating a new life. It is created by facing your issues and returning to yourself. Embrace the change. P.S. I love you, Ama." It's Simone's time of hair trimming. Cool, Simone, as you're staying at home. On the crowded place, in the tons of people on the busy street, Michele spotted out and about walking with his bodyguard on the 5th Avenue in New York City. Good, Michele, just enjoy your time roaming around the area. Only time can tell when he will bring his mother and family with him in the US. And Michele can control that he is well known, so there are really people who will catch his attention for a photo of. For the photos, thank you Flash and ImageLink Global. Yes, good for your health, Michele, if you take more of sunshine every day. When Michele is at the recording studio as he's recording his new song.
I really want to do Pokemon cover and with a really serious face, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been thinking.
I've been thinking about it, and maybe it sounds weird, or it might sound, you know, weird, but probably I think this is the best idea for the next single to make a Pokemon cover.
Yeah.
Imagine his face, his reaction. Mickey, are you okay? Yeah.
Puppy. Alright, sorry. Test, test, test.
1, 2, 3. Gotta catch 'em all. Catch 'em all. Hold the Pokemon.
You have to sing it to him.
We know Michele loves music as one of his passion, and he is also lucky that he know how to play many musical instruments. Let's see and hear if he know how to play the drum. For so many times we have heard how Michele played piano, and let's hear him for this time. Can Michele guess if who are these characters? Let's all watch it.
There's a SpongeBob character. Who is she? He or she? That's I don't know.
How about Michele's bodyguard? Can he know the game? Let's all see it.
Oh, let me do it better. Okay. That's exactly what you are.
What can you say or think of Michele and his bodyguard? Are they getting bored now?
So here we have this painting, and my assistant is gonna tell us what the artist wanted to tell us.
You need to be in the low.
Okay, Michele, come, let's go. I'll go with you then. So this is the next song of Michele. Let's wait for its release. What can you say, guys, on the Gentle sa Team Manalo News as it headline on their cover, Maria Luisa Jacobelli forgets Toti kissing Michele Morrone. Oh, whoa, who is she? Maria Luisa Jacobelli was a sports media TV host. Just breath in and breath out, guys. As of the moment, Michele has no reaction on this news. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 16 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. We teach people how to love us by the way that we love them. We want someone else to become fluent in our love language so that our connection feels special, sacred, and safe. We want to feel the kind of passion that can only come from feeling truly accepted and understood for who we really are. And we crave the kind of love that we have never felt with anyone else before. We want to be loved in the way that we love. For a relationship to be satisfying and fulfilling, it needs to be stimulating for both people. Some couples rely on physical intimacy for that, but that's not enough for real friendship to grow. We need mental and emotional stimulation in order to stay interested in the relationship and each other. When two people enjoy similar interests, passion, and hobbies, then conversation are not boring and monotonous. They are something to look forward to. Instead of competing for what you want, find an interest that gives you both a win. Couples that grow together enjoy being together. By Joel Clemons. Thank you for the video to Sultan Tatlisi.